Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Everglade Glade here. Welcome back to another video now. In today's video, we're going to be doing a beach slash nature vlog. And how this is going to work is I'm going to compile clips together, kind of show you guys where I'm at. I'm at the beach, obviously, right now. And I pre-recorded a nature walk video, and I'm going to incorporate that with kind of me talking throughout the video. And this will probably not be an update video, but I will get a update video out, about like summer and whatnot, because I'm out of school right now. Or not, I'm out of school. It's summer vacation right now. I'm at the beach, so I do want to kind of make a video detailing kind of what I'm going to be doing this summer, at least what I'm doing right now. And this video is not going to be like the normal content I produce out on the channel. It's going to be more of just a kind of relaxing video that you guys kind of will sit back and relax, not really like think too much, because obviously like competitive Pokemon, you obviously have to think even during those videos. But anyways, guys, I hope you do enjoy, and please smash the like button down below, and please subscribe for more future content. I put a lot of work into this video, and it really means a lot to me if you guys were to subscribe. But anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. So I just finished and I just got to the end of the trail. So I hope you guys did enjoy that. This trail is pretty short. It's not really a trail, it's just like a little bit of a nature walk at the beach. It's called the Bird Sanctuary. There are a bunch of birds there, and you could see me zooming in on some of the birds and whatnot. But I think it's a really cool trail, a little really cool small trail that I walk quite often. I really do enjoy it, and I hope you guys did enjoy that footage as well. But now we are going to be moving on to the beach segment for today. I'm going to capture some beach footage for you guys, and then kind of we'll move on to the town, and I'll see you guys there. So hey guys, so the beach segment, if you guys did notice, there is no audio attached to the segment. That's because it's really windy, and so the audio picks up in this sort of the wind, and this camera, or this recording will probably also pick up the wind. And you might have noticed that's probably not the nicest out here, and that's because we haven't had the nicest days. Today's nice, but it's really windy and a bit chilly. But I hope you guys did enjoy the beach segment. I got some really cool stuff, like I captured footage of a boat, just obviously the water, some birds. I think they're seagulls as well, and oh shoot, I almost fell. I wish I could have done better audio and video, but that's what I got in the footage. I wish the audio was working and I could have done it, but I hope you guys did enjoy that segment. And now we're going to move on to the final segment, I think, of this video, and that's going to be kind of the town itself, and just kind of showing you what it is. Because this town, I've been going here since I was, well, since I was not a baby, but since I was 4. So it does have a lot of sentimental value to me, and I kind of want to show you some parts of the town. So yeah, so I'll meet you guys on the flip side. Hey guys, I'm back. So now, after visiting the beach, the town, and the bird sanctuary, I want to know, what was your favorite part of the video? And comment down below that, because I'd really like to know. Now, I don't think, these videos I don't make often, but the purpose of these videos continues to stay the same. The last video I made was like footage I recorded down the beach of waves, and I edited that together with music, but this time I tried to improve my editing skills by editing and putting clips together. And each time I do these sort of videos, it's to improve my editing skills. And when this video is published, you will see that there will be a watermark occasionally, and I do apologize for that. I'm still trying to get a free editing software for you guys, but this obviously where I recorded today. It was today and yesterday. I put a lot of time into this video, but where I recorded is a town that I visit quite often, and it's really sentimental to me. I've had lots of memories here, and I wanted to kind of share that with you. And especially, I wanted to do this since I want to improve my editing skills. Of course, really means a lot to me as a person to grow and to continue editing and whatnot. But guys, I've had lots of fun with this video, and I hope you guys did enjoy it as well. If you watched the whole way through, and if you are here right now, I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me as a a content creator and as a person. And before you guys go, I'm going to ask you to smash the like button down below, and please do consider subscribing. There's going to be lots of future content coming your way. But before I go, I do want to say that editing is going to be a part of my videos, and I will try to get an editing software, and I do enjoy these types of videos. Does that mean that these videos are going to be really common on my channel? No. I am going to try to get a Battle Spy episode 3 up tomorrow. Actually, I'm not going to try. It is going to be up tomorrow. Now, what time it's going to be up is unknown, but it will be up at least by tomorrow night. I just wanted to let you guys know. And regular content will be returning to the channel, but as summer progresses, there's gonna be some bumps to the road. I'm not gonna have time to make content, but I hope, with all that out of the way, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. It was definitely a change from all my regular content, and I really hope that you looked at that and saw that, wow, obviously his content has improved, and that's kind of what I wanted to express with these videos. But I could ramble on and on, and but anyways, smash the like button if you have not, and please consider subscribing for more future content. But I'm Everglade, guys, and thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.